Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Windows Toast notifications for uninterrupted deep work, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Windows Toast notifications, begin by accessing the Start menu. Click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Type Settings into the search bar and select the Settings app. In the Settings window, locate and click on System. From the left sidebar, choose Notifications and Actions. Under the Notifications section, find the toggle switch labeled Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Switch this toggle to the off position to. If you prefer to customize notifications, scroll down to the Get Notifications from these senders section. Here, you can individually manage the notifications for each app listed. To disable notifications for a specific app, locate the app in the list and click on it. Toggle the switch next to Notifications to the off position for that app. Return to the main notifications settings page. You can also disable additional notifications by adjusting the Show Notifications on the lock screen option. For deeper control, scroll to the Focus Assist section. Click on Focus Assist settings to configure your quiet hours. Choose between priority only or alarms only modes for uninterrupted work. Select the times you want Focus Assist to activate automatically. To enable Focus Assist immediately, click on the Focus Assist icon in the Action Center. Now you can work without interruptions from notifications. Lastly, remember to test your settings by observing your notification behavior during work hours. This method ensures a dedicated deep work environment free from distractions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.